The DPP filed a nolle prosequi. We challenged that nolle prosequi on the basis that we were, as the victims, not given reasons as to why the DPP withdrew this matter. The reasons were given orally. The judge has agreed that nobody can challenge the power of the DPP under Article 157 to decide on how to deal with the matter. The DPP has decided that this matter will go to an inquest. We have advised our clients that even if we move to the Court of Appeal, even if we move to the Supreme Court, the power to decide who is to be charged, who should be taken to an inquest, which matters to be terminated, belong to the DPP pursuant to Article 157, and the judge was right. We now are telling the DPP this is a matter that started in almost 3.5 years ago. We are demanding, one, that the DPP takes the file to the Chief Magistrate's Court for registration tomorrow, and an inquest file be opened. We are also demanding that the judiciary and the DPP and us as witness advocates, we will be ready to hear this matter on back-to-back basis, daily. And within a month or 2 months, all the witnesses have testified, and who was culpable for the murder of Tob Cohen comes out free. In the criminal trial, and that is why I'm agreeing with the DPP very well, in the criminal trial, there are witnesses we feel were involved in the murder of Tob Cohen. They were never charged. We want now these same witnesses to testify in a public inquest. We shall bring enough people to produce evidence that not only the people who are charged, the others who committed this offense, who tried to conceal the heinous crime against our client, testify, and they'll be held liable. Lastly, in a public inquest, everybody will be allowed to produce any information that they have. Remember, the DPP, the recommendation is that an affidavit by John Gashomo recanting this evidence was the basis. One of that witness who will testify in the public inquest is John Gashomo. We will put him to question, and we will be urging the DPP that this is a matter that has been having a push and pull between the office of the DCI and office of the DPP and the defense team. We shall be appealing to the whole world that we, the DPP, as he had said earlier, gets in touch with the ambassador of Netherlands, gets in touch with the foreign embassies, foreign investigators, international investigators from Israel, international investigators from America, international investigators from the UK, from France, be involved in this matter. The reason why we are raising this, our client addressed the media from Netherlands yesterday, a copy of which Citizen TV has. She appealed to the head of state, the President of the Republic of Kenya, that this Cohen's matter is likely to cause a serious international problem. Foreigners will feel they can be killed, they can be dumped, they can be treated as dogs, and that will be a bad history for the Republic of Kenya. So we are urging the Director of Public Prosecution to immediately call international investigators who will be seen to be fair, who will be seen not to be leaning to any side, and as we put it, the DPP, one Mr. Nurdin Haji, had indicated one time that he wants to get this. So our clients will not be going to the Court of Appeal. Our clients are ready tomorrow to start the inquest, and the truth will come out who killed Tob Cohen. Our client, my client, the sister to Tob Cohen, is not interested in the properties, is not interested on compensation. She is interested before she dies to know who killed her brother. Why did that person kill the brother? Why did the killer go to those details of torturing and making the body of Tob Cohen face that gruesome murder and pain? How did the murderer decide to hide the body in a very inhuman manner? So that is all that my client is after, the sister, that this matter should be separated from the question of property. My client is simply a sister moved by the blood of his brother, of her brother. She wants justice to be done for her brother so that the killers are brought to book. Remember, the director of public prosecution charged 2 people. My client went to court. My client went to court demanding that the 2 people who have been charged are not the only people involved in this matter. So our client has always had a notion that there are people, there are sacred cows that were protected not to be charged in this matter. An inquest now will bring all the people involved in this murder, dead or alive, to account. So that now answers what our client has been saying. Gabriel has been saying that it is not only the 2. There are very many people who are involved in this matter. Murder, this was a highly planned execution. Not 2 people could be able to do what was done in the killing and concealing of evidence in Cohen's matter. And that's why our clients are very confident that this is the right way to get everybody who was involved to be accountable.